wants to get up, Tristan.
Does it? Okay. There is an elevator trim. Nice and smooth. Smooth, smooth, smooth.
Yeah, let's go up, mate.
Yeah, start coming towards us. Not too much. It still wanted to climb a lot.
Yeah, see, like.
You're doing really well. How's it feel?
Hello.
Nicely recovered. Well done. Got that on film. So you rolled too much then, and then you immediately started plummeting, but you did the right thing then.
At least it was.
Yeah. It won't, if you're dropping altitude down to, let's say if you want to do a low pass, I would do that in a straight line. It gets disorientating if you're trying to corkscrew down. It looks funny with no rear gear, doesn't it? Do you want to bring it down, or do you want to keep going?
Yeah, it's up to Kim.
Okay, just remember where the wind came from. So you're trying to land it towards us now. So bank round, nice and slow. There you go. Throttle down, nice and slow. Abort the landing if you feel it's necessary. So I would abort that now. There you go. Turn around, try again.
Just so quick.
Yeah, I know. You want to try and bleed speed. So turn around, then try from the same approach. Yeah, don't be afraid to abort the landing. See, pro pilots do it all the time with model aircraft. Yeah, abort. Yeah, bank left, try again. Yeah, nice.
I'm just struggling to scrub speed.
That's all right. If you need to do it quicker, but just make sure you throttle off before you hit the long grass. A little close to that tree. This is a good altitude. Yeah, nice. Now throttle off. Perfect. So the wind speed has picked up, so just bear that in mind. Whenever you're banking against the wind and things like that, just have that in the back of your mind.
I want to do a roll.
Come towards us first. Nicely done! That was really cool. So if you're going to do any manoeuvres, make sure they're into the wind. Most lift as possible. Nice. Just keep a note of how powerful you think she is because of battery life and whatnot.
I think it does feel as powerful.
Okay, all right. Fly for a bit longer, then I'd bring it in. You've already been going for 2 minutes on this flight.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to try and bring it in.
Okay, we've got some climbing to do.